Hello, Nasdaq followers, and welcome to a very special edition of Nasdaq Spotlight. I'm your host, Leanne Alfaro, and this month of November, we are focusing on clients of Acción Opportunity Fund, the nation's leading nonprofit microfinance organization, also a partner of Nasdaq. So today we are speaking with one of those clients, Alicia Villanueva, who is founder of Alicia's Tamales, Los Mayas. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, and it's a really huge honor to be with all of you. Thank you.
And thank you. I hear you are out in California, and I honestly could not think of a better time to have you on the show. It's starting to get a little cold outside, and it is Tamales season, the holiday season. So talk to us a little bit more about your business, what community it serves, and your mission.
You know, what community I serve, I think that all of them, all the cultures. And then right now it's like, I feel like I'm starting again with this situation. But you know, with the hands, go hand by hand with opportunity funds and God, I have the hope that we're gonna make it because we are affronting a lot of barriers and struggles, but we are here. Yes.
Absolutely. And now walk me back to the beginning. When did you start your business, and why did you decide to start the business?
Okay, I started in 2010 with like everybody, you know, you come to this country. I arrived to this country on 2000 and with a very beautiful American dream and, you know, with all the ganas to work here and make a really nice and future for my three kids. And I started just selling tamales, trust me, knocking doors and then visiting like body shops and selling tamales in front of the church in Auckland. But in one point, I just realized that I have to be more educated, and I find out one organization who helped me to do my business plan, and then I went to La Cocina, and in La Cocina I did a 5 years of pre-incubation and incubation. And then La Cocina introduced me to Opportunity Funds, that is really amazing organization who really helped me to grow up my business from the scratch as well as La Cocina. And yeah, it's beautiful how to, you know, when you love what you are doing and how you see how is this growing and everything is beautiful to live your dream. But unfortunately, with this pandemic, you know, it's like I say, it's like I feel like I have to start again my business. Before, we were doing a lot of caterings every single day, like between 10 and 15 deliveries from 100 to up 700 people every single day. And then I was in the San Francisco Stadium in the Chase Center, selling tamales too, and Moscone Convention Center, in everywhere. But just like, you know, I lost all my business, like 95% of my business all at in one day. And it's like, it's really hard. But, you know, one of the most beautiful things is that since this starts since March, we didn't lay off any of our team, our employers. We all keep all together, but we are working extremely hard to keep alive and be afloat. Yes.
Alicia, you're being very humble. You talked about some of your achievements, but I also read that you were making somewhere in the leagues of 40,000 tamales a month last year.
That's true.
That's true. And so COVID has had a very palpable impact on business owners. What are the ways that you've changed your business as you saw that COVID was affecting it? And what were some of the resources that became even more so useful?
Yeah, you know, like that's true. Like you know, before March, I was our production was like 40,000 tamales per month. And right now, like I say, it's just starting again. It's like I have to adapt the business to this situation, the way that we are living. So I start to knock doors in the retails, And thanks God, right now we have like 35 markets already. We have 14 markets in Whole Foods, then Lunardis, and then Gas Market, and some Berkeley Bowl, some of beautiful markets that I think that they are selling really good our product. And yeah, and another thing that I see that I can survive is serving the schools. So now we have the doors open in Vacaville in the school district, and we are starting to cook for them like I can say like 3,000 plates per week. But you know, it's like honestly, right now we have to work like 3 times like before, because catering it was better profit, and retail is good business, and as well as the schools, but the incomes are lower, and it's more, you have to do more like volume in you know, to make that this work, you know, like business. And before, I think right now in my incomes, I already get like the 50% of the incomes that I need, but I didn't get the, you know, the how can I say, the incomes that I really need to survive.
So there's definitely still a gap that needs to be filled.
Yeah.
Now, my next question to you is more so about what other organizations can do. I mean, you're absolutely working with Acción Opportunity Fund. You're having places like Nasdaq feature you, but what kind of support? What does it mean to have the support of these big organizations, and what kind of support is it that small business owners like you need?
You know, for me, what kind of support is like, I can say, can I use the word hope? You know, with this support that Opportunity Funds and NACTAC is giving us, is for me is the hope, and I am sure that we're gonna have a, you know, a nice future, and going hand by hand with Opportunity Funds support, with God and our work, we're gonna make it. I think that I just hope that this situation change, because it's hard. It's really stress.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, you mentioned a lot of initiatives and you going into schools, into stores like Whole Foods, Aldi. What is an exciting, I mean, all of these are very exciting and hopeful projects, but is there anything that you're working on right now that excites you and gives you hope about the future for the business?
You know, like right now I feel so, I love what I'm doing. And like for me, I would like to spend more my time in cooking, but the exciting thing that is I'm living right now is like to make more variety of plates, thinking of the kids that I'm gonna feed. You know, like always I'm just thinking what they are gonna like. And believe it or not, I really have right now like my tasters kids, like from elementary, middle, and high school, that are friends of my kids. And when I do a new plate, I just bring to them, and they say, okay, it's delicious, it's not, or whatever. So I make changes. But this is a beautiful experience that I'm living right now. You know, like thinking of them, that like we are have the opportunity to feed these students. Like, I love it. It's like really nice experience for everybody here in the company.
I can
Yeah.
hear the passion in your voice for your craft and what you do. I would be remiss not to ask, what is your favorite kind of tamale for the holiday season? Or tamal, rather.
Tamales. Yeah. You know what? We have 7 flavors tamales. Let me show you here. That we are certified by USDA already. But right now for the holiday, I did a really delicious recipe of turkey tamale with cranberry salsa. And yeah, this is the specialty this holiday season. But the more that everybody like, the traditional is pollito chicken, and the carnitas, Oaxaca cheese, and the veggie vegan. I did the veggie vegan because in San Francisco there is a lot of vegan people, so I just spent like maybe 2 weeks doing this delicious recipe and with nopalitos, and everybody like it. It's really delicious.
Alicia, it sounds like there's something in store for everyone, and I sure hope you do shipping because I am so hungry and would
Thank
love
you.
some of your tamales. So I'm going to be browsing you online. We'll drop the link to your business for sure.
Thank you,
Uh,
Nana.
but thank you so much for sharing your
Oh,
story
it's
with
my
us.
pleasure. And one more thing that I would like to mention that we start to sell our product too in online in our website, and then we start to sell tamales in Williams, Sonoma. They approve us, so I feel so exciting that we are shipping tamales to New York, Florida, and everywhere in the United States. So we are just start with them little by little, but right now, like every Monday at least we send like 15 cases or something like that per week. But something is something, it's a good start. Yeah.
Have to start somewhere. What a no better a note to end on here, Alicia. Thank you so much again for joining us.
My pleasure, and it's a really huge honor to be with all of you. Thank you so much to all of you. Yeah.
And NASDAQ followers, please stay tuned throughout the month of November. We'll be featuring more clients from Acción Opportunity Fund, helping to microfinance these small businesses during COVID in such a critical year. Until next time, we are signing off.